Annatto oil, that's what we'll be making today. Let's get started. Annatto oil is an excellent palm oil replacement for those living the alkaline lifestyle. Though there's a difference in taste, aroma, and flavor, they produce similar results. Annatto oil, on the other hand, has a much more pungent aroma, and it's good for the environment. Now let's make some oil out of these. Your pot or pan should be on medium-low heat. Add 1 cup of annatto seeds to the pan. Once you're done adding it to the pan, spread it around. Heat it up for 30 seconds to a minute. Today I'll be using grapeseed oil as it's one of the approved oils for alkaline vegans. You can also use avocado oil. Add 2 to 3 cups of grapeseed oil or avocado oil. Now turn your heat down and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes while stirring occasionally. Be careful not to burn it because it could turn bitter. Also, do your best to avoid splashes. After it simmers for about 5 to 7 minutes, or when it starts bubbling, you want to take it off the stove and place it on a safe surface and let it cool down completely. Though I really love palm oil, I've been looking for a replacement for my alkaline vegan subscribers, and I finally found one. Now that I have this palm oil replacement, you just watch. There'll be some mouth-watering alkaline dishes coming out of this kitchen. Anyway, that's it for this week. If you've known about this oil for a while, hit me up in the comment section so I can give you a piece of my mind. I can't believe you all knew about this oil and never told me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next week.